Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Candice here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I answer your most common French questions. The question for this lesson is, when should I use the subjunctive? Le subjunctive can be difficult for English speakers, since English doesn't really have a subjunctive mood. Luckily, conjugating the subjunctive is pretty easy. The endings are always the same, but there are some irregular stems. We'll go over some of the irregular stems in this lesson so you can get used to them. So when do we use the subjunctive? We use the subjunctive after expressions like craindre de, to fear, aimer que, to like, détester que, to hate, souhaiter que, to wish, douter que, to doubt, sembler que, to seem, and falloir que, to have to or must. What do these expressions have in common? They express fear, a wish, command, and uncertainty. Things like this are what we have subjective feelings about. Okay, let's look at some examples. Je suis content que tu sois content, meaning I'm happy that you're happy, is a feeling, and je veux qu'il le fasse, meaning I want him to do it, expresses a will or desire. There are a few things to note here. One, we need two subjects for the subjunctive. One person wanting, wishing, fearing, or demanding another person to do something. Second, take a look at this sentence. Elle ne pense pas que je parle français. This is where subjunctive can get tricky. She doesn't think that I can speak French, meaning she doubts that I can. If she thinks I can, then there is no attitude of doubt. In this case, we don't use the subjunctive. So, ne pas penser que, to not think, uses the subjunctive, whereas penser que, to think, doesn't. Do people use the subjunctive in spoken French? This is a tough question. In written French, you must use the subjunctive when necessary, but in spoken French, it's not so common. However, if you want to speak proper, elegant French, then definitely use the subjunctive. Do you have any more questions? Please leave them in the comments below and I try to answer them. À bientôt. See you soon.